Morning, everyone. It's 8:45, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1662 for this Wednesday morning, February the 15th. Asia down, Europe mixed. Lots of numbers here. Retail sales surprisingly very strong, up up 3% versus expectations of up 2%. X autos up 2.3%, X autos and gas up 2.6% versus up 0.9. So very strong numbers there. And the control number is up 1.7. Um, Empire State Manufacturing. This is a number that was huge last month at negative 32.9, still did not get into the positive territory, down 5.8. Roblox with a big beat. The stock closed yesterday 35.67, up $1.25. This morning trading 42.25, and that's within pennies of the high, up $6.58 or 18.5%. More follow through, a little bit of paying for Devon Energy, which was a miss. The stock is currently trading 59.76. That's down 4.18 or 6.5. Airbnb with its beat yesterday, trading 131.65, up $9.78 or 8.1%. Berkshire Hathaway did a little buying and a little trimming. Added to Apple, added to Paramount, neither of which are doing much this morning, but lightened up on Taiwan Semi. That was bought in the third quarter, sold in the fourth quarter, which is kind of unusual for a Berkshire stock. But it's trading 93, down 5, down 5.1%. David Tepper went into more Disney, more CRM, and pretty decent move there. Just trying to see. There was one more, but I don't see it. The Dow was down 60 early, got to down about 152 about 5 or 10 minutes ago, now down just 87. So cut that loss in half. The NASDAQ is down about 40. That was down 73. So same situation there. And the S&P is currently down about, down about 19, now down only 15. So that went from minus 24 to minus 15. So all in all, pretty good numbers. We have, at 9:15, we have industrial production and capacity utilization. As far as the futures go, almost everything is lower. We have the grains lower. We have all of the energy complex lower. We have silver and gold lower. Silver down almost a half a buck, and gold down 23, down at 1842. The cattle and stuff are not open yet. We have coffee down 210, cotton down 77, sugar down 29. That sugar actually looks like it might be getting into buying area. The dollar, based on these numbers, is up 72 cents. This is exactly in the wrong direction for us. Bitcoin, which was up yesterday pretty nicely, is up another 435. Ethereum is up 19 and a half, and the bonds are down 4 tenths. When that industrial production comes out, I will post it in the Discord room. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there. It's going to be a kind of a wild day, I think. I think that we're going to get very choppy here. Have a good one.